Guys, have you all experienced the rain falling from around 4 or 5 o'clock this morning? The rain fall. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's now the backcountry is gonna grow up even more and it's gonna be so greener. Guys, I am telling you, the rain pour. The rain poured so hard that I didn't even want to come out of bed. I want to just stay in bed and listen to the rain on the roof. It was so giving. So I am out this morning because the rain takes a break. And I'm trying to see if I find any birds. Because normally they come out after a heavy rainfall because the worm would be on top of the earth. The worm wouldn't be underneath the ground anymore. So birds will be hunting them. And guys, I went back to visit the lemon tree. It's not ready yet. I was saying September, but it looks like I have to extend it for another month, maybe October. But let's see, September isn't here as yet. So I'm gonna take a little walk into the backcountry area and to see what's going on. It's really beautiful out here. One thing though, guys, there's no sunlight, so you know who is buzzing? The mosquito. They are buzzing because they're hungry too, you know. They're hungry too. So they are looking for fresh blood. Yeah. But out here it's giving. The grass is getting greener. If the rain keeps falling this way, it's gonna be so green and beautiful out here. And the mosquito will be biting, feeding on me. So soon I will have to start wearing longer pants into the back bushes, because if I don't, I will be suffering from mosquito bite. But today, this is where we're going. We're not gonna check out the cows today. I'm gonna stay away from them. There, my guys. Good morning. How you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So this is where I'm going, but as you can see, the cow is right there. I don't want to go into their vicinity, so I want to stick over here in the backcountry area. The last time I went in their vicinity, I had to find my way back over this side, so I'm keeping to this side, even though I make a deal with them by giving them some water. You know, the way to a man's heart is through his belly, so I give them water. The female cow signed a deal. The male cow wasn't giving. The bull said no, I'm not He's enjoying his breakfast. No, what time it is? I think he's enjoying his lunch. So, bye. See ya. I think he means goodbye. So I'm off on my way. Mommy go over there on the hill. So this is us. I haven't heard any birds lately. Maybe I'm coming too late. All I'm hearing is my neighbor rooster. So I'm not hearing any birds. Guys, check this out. Check out these mosquitoes along my feet. I don't know if you can see them, but that's mosquito. And they are there because there is no sunlight and I'm in the bushes. And I did not remember to wear my long pants because I didn't think of them going to eat me alive. And guys, you see what I am wearing for shoe because I am out here. But lesson learned, I can't be in the bush without a long pants. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. I love that. So guys, it has come to the end of today's video. It wasn't long, it's just short little preps of me coming out here checking things out. I didn't plan to go where the cows are on the farm. I just plan to be in the backcountry area, so the opportunity presented itself and I made use of it. So it was nice giving you guys a little preps. So